guys, today I'm doing another quick unboxing of this package. As you can see, maybe I sound a little bit different because I have cold. I'm a little bit sick, so I don't know how is my voice gonna be, but this is the exhaust for the 100cc, my first scooter, and I got it last month, but I just didn't have time to put a video. I opened it just to check it, but I haven't really seen it a lot. I bought this exhaust in February. I paid for it, and it was made, no, it arrived in Germany in June, and I got it now in October. So it's almost 1 year for an exhaust. And also I don't put new videos for the 100cc because I can't find parts, especially the crankshaft. I cannot find it. It's been in December it will be 1 year since I ordered the crankshaft, and I contacted every store in the world. I also contacted the factory, and they say they are not making that crankshaft anymore, and that's amazing. As you can see, I'm stuck with this fucking cylinder here, and I actually found a crankshaft from Monaya Racing. They make their own crankshaft, so I will probably buy from them, because I don't think buying an aftermarket block, the new cylinder, new crankshaft, it will just, I don't know, it will cost too much, and I will have to throw all of this in the bin basically. But yeah, I will now unpack this exhaust so you can guys see it, but I cannot do it with one hand, so I will just pause and then continue. Okay, so I unpacked it. As you can see, it's made by DDL from Netherlands, and it's for 100cc, especially for my cylinder. So basically the exhaust is top of the line. As you can see, build quality is literally perfect, and performance is like 40 plus horsepower without problem. It's really beautiful exhaust, I'm not gonna lie, man. This is the flange. This is the Baotian flange. It's not custom made because I bought it so I can so it will fit basically. I bought the Baotian flange, and they made it but with the flange. Let me see if I can turn it around. It should, like, it's just fucking nice, man. The welds are so fucking good. Also adjustable. This is adjustable. I hope it will fit, because I don't know, man. I read online that the Baotian cylinder kit has a flat flange, and I don't know if this is made with a Baotian cylinder on the engine, or it was minorly like standard angle here. Angled, I don't know. I will have to check. Also, I got some stickers and some. This is from the flange. The stickers and the gasket, and then it's from DDL. He sent me some stickers as well. This is all from the Baotian, and this is from Dennis. He sent me some stickers. Yeah. So pretty much that's it. That's the update on the 100cc. Probably now after New Year I will be buying the crankshaft, and I will start working the engine cases, and that will be fucking interesting, because I don't know if I'm gonna find a workshop that can do what it needs to be done, but I don't know. Maybe I will just buy all the machines myself and make it. That's it from me, guys. It was just a quick little video, and as I said, I'm fucking sick, so I cannot really talk much, but it's only an exhaust, you know, but it's fucking masterpiece. see you till next time. I guess I will be posting more videos when new season starts, because I will be assembling my daily bike, like the frames and stuff, the plastics, I mean, not the frame. So, and I will have to be tuning that and driving it, so there will be onboard videos when season starts, of course. Now it's winter, it's fucking boring, you know. See you till then, guys.